Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'll be demonstrating one of my newest projects, that is vcreate, a crowdsourcing website. I did this project as part of my project internship on the mentorship of Anurag sir. Moving on, the project idea is basically creating a crowdsourcing platform where brands and organizers can basically organize creative challenges and can outsource the creative solutions from the crowd itself. So yeah, the idea is quite diverse in terms of possibilities. Now moving on to the user interface, this is how our user interface looks like. So we'll move on to the demo for a better visual of it. So I'll be using two different email IDs. The first one is Spam Electric, which is basically for creators, and then I'll be using a different email ID as Facebook login, and that account will have all the organizers, right? So that just to explain things better and how things are working in background. So yeah, just let's go ahead. We'll move on directly to the contest, and here are all the contests which you can find, which are live on the site. Now if I'll go to this contest, I can see a brief description and how much prize is associated, when is the contest gonna end. So now you can simply submit your design as a creator, as you are logged in as a creator, and you just have to enter your email ID. You have to enter a short description. You just have to enter uh, simply how your solution fits into this and how is it relevant, and you just have to explain it. You just yeah. Now moving on to selecting the actual file, we'll use this image as our solution. So yeah, we'll just open it, and you can click the submit tab. Make sure you abide by the guidelines which are associated with the contest. Now you'll get this message that your submission will be considered as will move again into the contest tab, and here you can verify your submission. Here's the latest submission which you have made. So yeah, you can find it here, right? Now here you can find all the submissions, uh, of all the time, like wherever you have submitted, like wherever you have participated, you'll find all your entries in this tab. So it doesn't matter if the contest has ended or not. You can always, download submissions from of those contests. Now, moving on, what we have tried to, make it different. Like if you are a creator, you won't have the access to, organize contests. So you'll get this message. You need to fill these details for registering as a contest organizer. You'll have to fill this form, and then it will come to us for verifications. Once we'll verify your account, you will have that organizer right, and I'll show you what you can do with that. Now moving on, what we have different this time is the community support. So community support basically enables you to uh, get a platform to share your ideas, your thoughts, your projects, your certifications, your collaboration opportunities, anything and everything you feel might add value to your professional CV resume, or might add value to this community. You can feel free to share it here, and you'll we don't had initial post, so I just linked this news API, which sort of fetches direct information from the API. So if we'll click on this news, you'll get the source of the news, like it has been basically fetched from the Times of India site. So yeah, here is just the demo of it. So yeah, we don't have to do this. Yeah, we'll have to move on to our thing. Yeah, so this was a different thing, and we are trying to focus more on the community, because once we have a larger community, we can use it to leverage different things like promoting educational videos and all. So yeah, that's something which has been planned for the future. Now, this is the one more unique point about this is, if someone posts anything, you can like and comment on the post, and the comments are not public. So the original owner will have, so the owner of the post will have the access to those messages only. Right. Now moving on to our site again, which is our main site. So this was the full exposure for you as a creator. Now if we'll log out from this account and log in as administrator, as I've already told, my Facebook login has all the admin rights. So yeah, now I'll jump back again to the contest. In the contest section, you can now, see all the contest, and then you have also the right to organize contest. Now here you can organize any contest. Now you can hear any title like XYZ, and then your organizer email, and then prize associated which you want to uh, you know give it to whosoever wins it. So if I'll enter date of expiry date of the contest, so it's sorry, it's 2021. And then in the description, we're gonna enter a short description, anything, and then in the poster image, you have to make sure that you have sufficient the size of the poster is according to the norms. Suppose if we enter any uh, maybe this poster, yeah, I guess it's according to the size. So yeah, we'll upload this screenshot as poster image, and then in the guidelines we have to upload any PDF file. Downloads, I'll look for any the PDF file. I guess yeah, this will work fine. So once you have uploaded the guidelines, basically these are the guidelines you have to abide by at the time of attempting any contest. Now you from here you can click the organize, and the contest will get organized, and you'll get this message that that contest will be organized. You will move on to the contest section, and here you'll see that your contest has been organized with all the details that you have entered. Yeah, so this was basically the image which we entered, the screenshot image, and then here's the description that like this is the prize amount. The contest is live and will end on July 29th, and then you know your title, your short description, and then uh, the guidelines which you can easily download, and then you can submit your design through this, which I have already given you the demo. Now moving on to our slides, this is all what we have discussed. Like, yeah, so here is how you can verify your entries. Now you can also verify your submission. So this is my admin account. I have not submitted anything using this now, but if I'll go to the accept submission tab, you'll find all the submissions, which has been submitted to your contest, and you can find all the submissions that has ever been submitted. So you have a few from different IDs, and when I will click one, you'll find this, as we have already submitted this in the earlier phase of the demo. So now this is all I basically wanted to show you. Now moving on to the about, we have basically curated 8 points for creators. Through these 8 points, you can basically use this space efficiently, and you can unleash your creativity to the fullest. We have also curated 4 points for our organizers, which will help them to basically leverage the power of creative crowd. So yeah, of course you can use this form to get yourself registered if you don't want to use your Facebook for login. And then yeah, moving on to last section, in which I'll show you the backend part of it, which only I have the access. So you can directly go to the admin panel, and since I'm logged in with my admin ID, I can have all the options to edit the contest and then delete it. So here's I can change details. So I can change details to from 19,000 to 17,000. You will see that it has actually been changed. So yeah, here is how you can basically see the change. So if I'll go again in this, I'll go, you'll see price has been updated to 17,000. Similarly, I can also delete contest through that section only. So yeah, that was pretty much all which I wanted to basically demonstrate through this video. So yeah, I moving on to tools and technologies which I use for the development. The in for managing all the operations, I use Django, and you just saw the demo, like how easy it was with the Django administration to handle all the backend operations and how to control IAM rights for different accounts. For the front-end development, I used HTML and CSS, and for the database, I used SQLite for storing the contest information along with the submissions and account informations of different users. Here's the flow diagram. This basically, summarizes how the whole website works. And here are some of the unique features: the community feature, where you can, submit posts and add value to the community and to yourself as well. And then here's the news API. This is temporary. I have just, put in just to, uh, automate the post on the community page because we don't have any users as of now. So yeah, moving on to the future work, we have plans of integrating an educational space, and we, sort of see the potential in our community, which we are going to build gradually. And I think we can leverage our community's talent to, create some educational content for in-house, welfare. So yeah, that was all which I wanted to, basically demonstrate. And thank you, everyone. Thank you.